Hi, welcome to Excel Vertex. Today we are going to learn about magic of alt function. Yes, magic of alt function. Let's suppose we have a data of a grocery store which has multiple rows and columns. So let's suppose we have to put a formatting across this data, and first we will select the cells on which we have to put the formatting, and then we will use the magic of alt. When we press alt, we will start getting the options like this. For home, we get the shortcut of H. For insert, it is N. So let's suppose I have to put a border across my data. What I will do after I pressed Alt, the options are showing here. It is shortcut. I press H. Then I have to put a border. I'm just using my mouse to show this. I'll press B, and then to put a center, I will use all border A. Formatting has been done on my selected cell. Now let's suppose I have to put the bold across the header. What I will do, I will use the alt function H and then 1. Done. Similarly, if I have to center my content of the header, I will use alt H AC. Done. I hope you learned the magic of alt and you can use it to improve your efficiency. Do like and subscribe Excel Vertex for daily learning. Thank you.